We live in a world filled with possessions, yet many hearts feel empty because love is given to objects instead of people. People were meant to receive kindness, warmth, and care, but slowly we began measuring worth by wealth, status, and things. Phones get our attention, while loved ones wait silently beside us, hoping for a moment of genuine presence. We protect our belongings carefully, yet sometimes forget to protect feelings, trust, and human connections. The more we chase possessions, the less time we invest in relationships that truly give life meaning. A broken device can be replaced quickly, but a broken heart may carry pain that lasts for years. Success feels empty when achievements are celebrated alone without people who genuinely care about us. Humanity suffers not from lack of technology, but from lack of compassion, patience, and understanding. When things become more valuable than people, kindness fades and loneliness quietly spreads everywhere. True happiness grows when we use things wisely, but choose to love people deeply and sincerely. The world heals when empathy replaces selfishness, and when relationships become more important than possessions. Remember, use things wisely, love people deeply, and never trade human hearts for temporary comfort.